Okay, I'm just going to do the first one here to get you into the right mindset. So here we are. We're looking at practice 15C. I don't want you to panic. Okay? So, someone is replying to a conversation in honors chemistry. We'll look at that later. So check this out. Here is all the steps for a titration. There are 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So when you are trying one of these, just try these steps. Okay? One of these is going to look very familiar. So I'm not going to do an actual titration, but I'll do the first one for you. So it says how many milliliters of a 1.65 molar solution of sodium hydroxide contain 0.495 moles of sodium hydroxide. Don't panic. This is another version of this equation that we got from chapter 12. Coda, if you bite me. Coda's taking a swipe at me. Well, we know that we arrange this equation to find moles is equal to molarity times liters. But what we're going to do is flip it around to find milliliters. And that means that liters is equal to moles over molarity. So we're looking at this problem. Do you know molarity? Yes. Do you know moles? Yes. So the only thing we need to find is how many liters, and then we'll get that into milliliters. So don't panic. 0.495 moles of sodium hydroxide in a molarity of 1.65 molar. And if you really want to get fancy, molarity is another way of saying moles over liter. So when you do this, your moles will cancel and your answer will be in liters. But you don't care about that. So let's bust out our fancy calculator. And we're going to say 0.495 divided by 1.65. And this means that this is 0.3 liters. But the problem is asking for milliliters.
Mr. O, how do you get from liters into milliliters?
Ladies and gentlemen, you know how we do that. There are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So we're simply going to take our answer and multiply it by 1,000. How many milliliters do we have? 300. So don't panic. It's easy peasy. Okay? But you're on the own for the next 3, and I'll have the video walkthrough up very soon. Okay? Best of luck.